Once upon a time in a little kitchen, there lived two pairs of curious eyes peering out from behind a fridge. Who are these two little kids? Well, this one's named Ion, and this one's named Myra. They love exploring everything in sight. Today, they set their sights on the freezer. "What do we have in here?" asked Myra, pulling open the freezer door. Instead of the usual plain white ice cubes, they saw something extraordinary. Each ice cube sparkled like a piece of glass, reflecting and refracting the light in all directions. But that wasn't all. Suddenly, the ice cubes began to glow with all the colors of the rainbow. Myra gasped in delight. "Look, Ion, the ice cubes are alive." Just then, the ice cubes slid out of the tray one by one, landing softly on the table. Then the most amazing thing happened. As each ice cube touched by the warm sunlight, it burst into a shower of sparkling colors. It looked like thousands of tiny stars exploding in a fireworks. Red, blue, green, yellow, every color imaginable shimmered and danced in the air. "Wow," whispered Ion, his eyes wide with wonder. Then he had an idea. He clapped his hands once, twice, again and again. To his surprise, the cubes responded by spinning faster and faster, leaving beautiful colored trails in their wake. "Let's dance," said Myra, twirling around. The children laughed and clapped as the ice cubes followed their movements, creating a magical symphony of colors and light. It was as if the ice cubes had a life of their own, feeling the joy and rhythm of the music. They spun and twirled like tiny ballerinas, leaping and bounding through the air. The colors swirled around them, painting the room in hues of red, blue, green, and yellow. But wait, there's more. As the ice cubes danced, they formed amazing shapes. The red cube became a glowing heart. The blue cube shaped into a shining star. The green cube swirled into a delicate leaf. The yellow cube shone like the face of the sun. Then suddenly, the ice cubes seemed to come alive and began singing in a soft, sweet voice. "Colors make the world so bright, shining here in magic light. Cold as ice, but hearts so warm, together we can change the form." Ion and Myra watched in awe as the ice cubes continued to dance and sing. The shapes changed, and the colors swirled, creating a mesmerizing display of beauty and wonder. But after a while, the children noticed something strange. The ice cubes were melting. "Oh no," said Ian, feeling sad. "They're melting away." As the ice cubes melted, the colors ran together like a river of sparkling jewels on the table. At first, it seemed like the magic was disappearing. The colors faded and the shapes dissolved. But then something incredible happened. The melted colors swirled and sparkled, forming a tiny portal of light in the center of the table. Ian and Myra stared in amazement as the portal grew brighter and brighter. Then it shot upwards, bursting through the ceiling and disappearing into the vastness of the sky. As the last of the ice cubes melted away, the children felt a deep sense of wonder and excitement. They knew that even though the dancing colors had vanished, the magic would live on forever in their hearts. From that day forward, whenever Ayan and Myra saw colors dancing in sunlight, water, or ice, they remembered the magical lesson they had learned. The ice cubes had shown them that change can be beautiful, and that even when something melts or ends, it can create new magic. The memory of the dancing colors became a source of joy and wonder for the children, reminding them that the world is full of beauty and magic if you just open your eyes to see it. So next time you see a rainbow, remember the ice cubes that danced in the light. Remember that even when things change, there's still beauty and magic all around us. And that's the end of our story. But wait, before we go, there's something special we want to share with you. Do you remember the ice cubes singing in the story? Well, they left us a little present. When you click the like button, it magically turns into a sparkling jewel that rewards your kindness. It's our way of saying thank you for watching and believing in the magic. So go ahead, click the like button and let the sparkling magic begin. And if you want to see more wonderful adventures, don't forget to subscribe. By subscribing, you'll get to join our fantastic community and be the first to know when we release new stories. But now it's time to say goodbye. We hope you enjoyed this magical journey with Ayan and Myra. Keep believing in the power of colors and the magic in everyday life. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep an eye out for dancing colors. You never know where you might find them. Thank you for watching and for bringing a little magic into our lives. We'll see you soon with another enchanting tale. Bye for now. Now, do you believe in the magic of colors? Have you ever seen colors dancing in the sunlight or melting into a beautiful rainbow? Share your experiences and thoughts with us in the comments below. Your comments are like sparkling jewels that add color to our days. If you enjoyed this story, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It's a great way to spread some magic and make someone's day. Don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't already, click the bell icon to get notified when we release new videos. Now let's continue the magic. Click on one of these beautifully illustrated storybooks to start your next adventure. Oh, and here's a fun fact. Did you know that smiling can actually make you feel better? It's true. When you smile, your body releases happy hormones that can improve your mood and make you feel more positive. So go ahead, smile at someone today and spread some happiness.